हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम पढ़ेंगे आपका क्लास 6 से साइंस की बुक से चैप्टर नंबर 9 एनिमल स्केलेटल सिस्टम। हमने हाफ चैप्टर जो है पिछले वीडियोस के अंदर कंप्लीट कर लिया था। आज हम पढ़ेंगे उसके आगे का पार्ट। तो उसमें हम आते हैं जॉइंट्स पर। द प्लेस वेयर 2 और मोर बोन्स जॉइन इज कॉल्ड अ जॉइंट। यानी कि जो 2 या 2 से ज्यादा बोन्स यानी कि अस्थियां जो है किसी एक जगह पर जाकर के ज्वाइन करती हैं एक दूसरे को या ऐड होती हैं एक दूसरे से, तो उन्हें हम कहते हैं जॉइंट्स। द एंड्स ऑफ द बोन्स आर कवर्ड विद अ सॉफ्ट मटेरियल नोन एज कार्टिलेज। जो कार्टिलेज होता है उससे ये कवर्ड रहती है। इट एक्ट्स एज अ शॉक एब्जॉर्बर एंड मिनिमाइजेस friction between the bones. The outer parts of the external ear also consist of cartilage. As cartilage is soft, it can be bent easily. यानी कि ये घूम सकता है easily. Joints have strong, stretchy muscles called ligaments, which hold the bones together at the joints. There are 3 types of joints depending on the type of movement. They allow immovable, slightly movable, and freely movable. ये जो है कार्टिलेज जॉइंट का आपका डायग्राम है। ये है फीमर यानी कि थाई बोन। आर्टिकुलर कार्टिलेज यानी कि फीमर से जोड़ने वाला है, और आर्टिकुलर कार्टिलेज ऑफ द पटेला नी कैप जिसे हम कहते हैं, और ये है फिबुला। और आर्टिकुलर कार्टिलेज टीबिया प्लेचुई एंड टीबिया शिन बोन ये है। फिर आते हैं हम इसके क्लासिफिकेशन पर। इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स यानी कि जो मूवमेंट नहीं शो करते हैं। दीज जॉइंट्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज फिक्स्ड जॉइंट्स एज दे अलाउ नो मूवमेंट एट ऑल। फॉर इंस्टेंस द बोन्स ऑफ द स्कल आर जॉइंड टुगेदर बाय देयर serrated margins which are called sutures. The joints in the tooth sockets are also immovable. Slightly movable joints. Such joints have a pad of soft flexible cartilage between the bones. For example, the adjacent vertebra in the backbone have joints which allow the vertebra to slip over each other to make slight movements like bending. These types of joints are known as gliding joints. The wrist and ankle joints are example of gliding joints. Freely movable joints. This type of joints allow free movement in various directions. In such joints, the ends of the bones are covered with cartilage. The small space is left vacant between the two bones. This space constitutes a cavity which is known as the joint cavity. Most of the joints in the human body are freely movable joints. These joints have been classified into 3 kinds of joints. Ball and socket joints. A ball and socket joint is formed when the ball-like end of the bone fits into a cup-shaped cavity in the other bone. For example, shoulder and hip joints. The ball-shaped end of the humerus fits into the cavity of the pectoral girdle in the shoulder. In the hip joint, the ball-shaped end of the femur fits into the cavity of the pelvic girdle. These joints allow free movement in all directions. Hinge joints. Hinge joints allow movement in one plane only, like the hinge of a door or a lid of a box. A elbow. The elbow joints, the joints of the humerus to the radius and ulna. Knee joint, the joint of the femur to the tibia and fibula. And finger joints are hinge joints. ये है हिंज जॉइंट्स जो ह्यूमरस, रेडियस, अल्ना इन तीनों के बीच में जो होते हैं। और ये बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट है। अब है पाइवट जॉइंट्स। पाइवट जॉइंट्स अलाउ रोटेशन ओनली बैकवर्ड, फॉरवर्ड एंड sideways. The neck joint is a pivot joint. In this type of joint, one of the bones which ends in rounded or conical surface fits into a dent in the other bone. The joints between the first vertebra and axis vertebra is also a pivot joint. इस तरीके से आप देखेंगे नेक जॉइंट को, इस तरीके से ये घूमने वाला होता है। यहाँ जो है इस तरीके से ये मूव कर सकता है। ये है टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट्स, ये आप लोगों को देखने हैं। ये मैं यहाँ जूम कर रही हूँ। मूवमेंट एंड लोकोमोशन यानी कि किसी भी चीज को जब हम मूव करते हैं अपने हाथ या पैर को, तो उसके लिए हम बात करेंगे You know that animals move from place to place in search of food, water, and shelter. The ability of animals to move from place to place is called locomotion. It involves dislocation of the whole body, as in swimming, running, walking, or flying. Movement is a change in the position of only a part of or parts of the body without changing the position of the whole body. For example, movements of fingers on a piano, movement on the hand of the hand while writing, and blinking of eyes. Some animals remain fixed and move only certain parts or parts of their body. For example, sponge, corals, and sea anemones. Locomotion is found only in animals. Locomotion in animals. Multicellular organisms have specific organs of locomotion which are known as locomotory organs. Let us study how locomotion and movement take place in various animals. Hydra. So, Hydra is a simple multicellular animal. It remains attached to watershed in fresh water. It's free and has the mouth which is surrounded by tentacles, long arm-like growths, and the Hydra walks by means of tentacles as shown in the given diagram. The contractions and relaxation of body cells bring about movement of the body. Locomotion is caused by some somersault एंड लूपिंग. ये है हाइड्रा का डायग्राम. ये जो है बहुत आपको लाइट दिख रहे होंगे, ये है इसके टेंटिकल्स. अर्थवर्म. The body wall of an earthworm has circular and longitudinal muscles fibers. Locomotion is brought about by contractions and relaxations of the body muscles. The movement of these muscles pushes blood in the direction of movement, and hence the animal moves forward when it moves the front anterior and becomes long and thin, while its hind posterior and becomes short and thick. Insects. Insects have 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of walking appendages, legs for locomotion. Snail. Snail is a delicate terrestrial air-breathing gastropod. It has an exoskeleton composed of shell. It has a flat foot for locomotion. ये रहा snail. और ये डिफरेंट इंसेक्ट्स हैं जिनमें लोकोमोशन के लिए इनके लेग्स होते हैं. अब आते हैं हम फिश पर. फिश आर वर्टिब्रास, i.e. for example, they have bones to support the body. They have fins that play a major role in locomotion. A fish has muscles on either side of its backbone. These muscles contract on one side and expands on the other. This causes the body to move from side to side in a zigzag pattern and hence helps in locomotion. The fins maintain the balance of the body and also helps to stop movement. They push the water like the oars of a boat. A fish changes direction by moving its tail fin. The streamlined body of the fish reduces water resistance and enables the fish to glide along in water. अब आते हैं स्नेक्स पर. Snakes do not have limbs but broad scales on the lower surface of the body. Snakes move with the help of their ribs. Scales and muscles, backbone, skin and ribs of snakes are joined by thin muscles. These muscles are also interconnected. The body of a snake makes many loops by contracting the muscles. Each loop presses against the ground to give the snake a push forward. Thus, a snake slithers very fast on a curved path. Birds. Birds show a number of adaptations to fly. Some of them are given below. 1. They have hollow bones which are filled with air, hence they are light. इसलिए वो fly कर सकती हैं. They have large wings with the help of which they push down the air and lift themselves up. The wings have a curved shape with the upper surface even more curved. This shape creates an upward lift which acts on the wings when the bird flies. Birds also have a streamlined body to reduce friction with air. The muscles that are attached to the wings are very strong. Wings have feathers, and feathered wings show 2 types of movement at the time of flight. Downstroke movement. The wings move downwards during flying. The feathers push the air down, giving the bird the necessary lift. Upstroke movement. The feathers twist open and air fills the space between them. Hence, air is not pushed up. The upstroke of the birds needs less force up than downstroke. Some birds do not fly at all. Such birds have well-developed legs but reduced wings. For example, ostrich, emu, and kiwi. Penguins, which live mainly in the polar regions, have wings modified into petals, which help them in swimming. Mammals. Mammals like tiger, cow, elephant use both their hind limbs and forelimbs for locomotion. However, human beings use only hind limbs for locomotion. Forelimbs are used for other activities. In all the vertebrates, the coordination of functions of actions of muscles and bones brings about locomotion. तो आपका ये चैप्टर जो है फिनिश हो गया है. सो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो हैं हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे. सो आप इस वीडियो को जाकर के देखिए, लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.